Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel. You got your boys here, Lanny Burt, the Dividend Diplomats. Wait a second. You're watching this on Monday morning. What? What is going on here, Lanny? Are we trying out a new video type here for the community?
Guys, that's right. The DD are back in it, bringing you another video. The Monday Night Wars are back, baby. If
Yeah,
you guys remember Raw versus Monday Night Nitro, I think the WWF versus WCW. Well, guys, the Dividend Diplomats are attacking every dividend investing channel out there to remain number one on your feeds, baby.
that's right. So what are we talking about here in today's video? This one's going to be fun. This is going to be released before the market is open here on Monday the 30th. So you know what we're going to do? We're each going to share our top dividend stock pick of the week. What is the stock that is top of our mind that we are honing in on and saying this is our favorite the upcoming week?
Top of mind, guys. If you haven't, definitely check out our videos from this weekend, looking at a bunch of stocks, a bunch of dividend aristocrats that are on sale, guys, that we have both just been gobbling up, guys. But the real deal here is come October 30th, this morning, that market bell rings.
Ding, ding, ding,
What
ding.
stocks do we have our eyes set on, and what are we buying? Let's hit them quick, Bert.
Yep.
What is your number one stock that you're watching and probably looking to buy right out the gate?
That's right. T Rowe Price, ticker symbol TROW. We just shared this. This was on our beaten down dividend aristocrat list. I shared in that video how I'd been buying it for my wife here. We added 3 shares on Friday, and we are most likely going to be adding even more shares this week. Man, T Rowe Price is below $90 per share, and the metrics are looking so sweet here. I'm going to just rip through them quickly. PE is under 12 and a half. It's 12.4. Payout ratio is 68%. 5-year dividend growth rate is 20%. They're an aristocrat. They've increased their dividend for 36 years, and their yield is now over 5.5%. Those are some juicy metrics right there,
Juicy metrics, guys. All right, so Bert's got T. Rowe Price. Now,
Lanny.
guys, I love these dividend aristocrats we put out on Sunday. And nothing against T. Rowe Price. I'm definitely going to be watching them. Johnson and Johnson, going to be watching them. Target, you name it. Um, definitely even Norfolk Southern, I'm going to be watching. But the one stock that I would love to add more capital to, considering I made it an internal decision to have a bigger position here, that's going to be a little bit of curveball in the dividend diplomats arena, but dividend investors love it. Main Street, ticker symbol Main, MAIN. Initiated a position and I've been kind of adding to it at every 1 to 3% drop. They released a little bit of news saying that they're expecting their net asset value to be around $28.30, going back 10 plus, maybe even 14, 15 years of, news releases. They've traditionally have always traded around this 40% premium to NAV and, the trading below that. So, looking to average down a little bit of a price point, maybe throw an extra $50 to $100 into Maine. Again, they pay a nice monthly dividend. They typically increase it 1 to 2 times per year. Just depends, anywhere between, we'll call it 3 to 8% on the dividend growth side of things. They also throw a nice knuckle ball special dividend, like every single quarter sometimes, once, two, three, 4 times a year, expecting one in December. So not even consider that. The yield's over 7%. Yes, it's a high player for a high payer. Looking to juice that dividend yield on my overall portfolio by a few basis points. Taxed at the ordinary income rate, so keep that in mind. But yeah, definitely a higher yield, but definitely a sound management team that seems to always figure out ways to perform during terrible times.
That's what it's all about. And it feels good that you had the deep dive that 50 to 100 shares are going to net you anywhere between 1.5 to 3, a little over 3 shares based on the current price. So that's a beautiful addition. Keep growing the position. Like you, that's why we're looking at T Rowe. I just checked before this video. My wife has almost 40 shares. Our annual income from T Rowe is at like 185. So it'd just be sweet to do something to push it over that $200 mark. Similar to what you're saying, just keep chipping away at this great company.
Guys, what are you buying today? What are you buying this week? Let us know in the comments. Definitely subscribe to the channel.
Yeah,
Like this video if you haven't already. We crossed the 18,000 subscribers. We're ringing that gosh motherfucking bell. Yes, we're blinking out our own cuss words on this channel for the kids out there, guys. But thanks for rocking with us here on a Monday morning. Get that coffee flowing.
that's right. And let us know down there, what are your top stock picks for the week? We want to hear them. We want to make sure all of you are growing your passive income this final week of October and the first few days of November. That's what it's about.
That was Bertha Hurt and Laney from the DD over and out.